Acid Magic Multi-Use Formula is the best way to remove efflorescence caused by alkali mineral deposits, restoring the beauty of your concrete, brick, and masonry surfaces. Acid Magic is made for general masonry cleaning, etching concrete in preparation for painting, and exposing aggregate for decorative concrete designs. With up to 90% less vapors, Acid Magic is the strong cleaner that is safer for your workspace. Easily clean excess mortar from brick and cinder block with Acid Magic, ensuring a smooth professional finish. Acid Magic removes rust, scale, mineral buildup, and stubborn stains, brightening concrete and other porous surfaces. It's the go-to solution for cleaning concrete trucks, mixing equipment, and tools, quickly removing rust, hard water, and mineral deposits from steel, iron, plastic, and more. Acid Magic doesn't just clean, it restores and brightens to maintain the integrity and appearance of concrete, brick, precast, and masonry surfaces. Make Acid Magic Multi-Use Formula your trusted partner for tough cleaning and restoration. Clean safer and smarter at acidmagic.com.